Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm recording a very time sensitive video, okay? So if you are one of the lucky ones watching this before these coins launch, you might get real lucky today. I'm going to talk about 3 coins that I've found that could potentially 100x, if not at least 10x today on launch, okay? I'm going to start off with KCOIN. So this is their website, KCOIN. I think this might be the rival to the doggy coins, the dog craze going on. I always thought we needed cats. We needed a cat craze coin. This might be it. Okay, I've had a good look into this. So KCOIN is a cat-themed, decentralized meme-based cryptocurrency which provides a platform to meme makers. Ooh, this should be a spell check here. We launched KCOIN with the intention to add real value to the meme world. KCOIN will allow meme creators to create and earn with their memes in a decentralized way. It has been launched since May 2021 and it has already 50,000 members. So to me, that tells me it has a big community already, okay? That in itself is big and I like what they are actually doing. So you can check out their website yourself. All you do is go to CoinMarketCap, type in KCOIN and you can find the website. If not, you can see it here now. So how they actually compare, what I like is they did a comparison to Doge and Shiba. So XXXX, these are the things that KCOIN has that Doge and Shiba don't. Okay, they've even got APY, and hodlers will earn. And there's a DeFi meme platform, gaming platform. Okay, so this might be really huge. Anyway, this is not financial advice. Don't ever risk more than you can afford to lose. I am going to take a punt with this, more like a calculated decision here. Now I've done some research and buy some KCOIN. And when it launches on gate.io, I want to see what happens, because usually what happens is that things skyrocket when it launches, like in the first day. It really takes off. So I'm actually going to see if I can get in and buy some and then try and sell it off. Okay, this is not financial advice. This is what I'm going to do. This is my first experiment with this, so I'm actually excited to see what happens. So this is going to happen tonight at 8 o'clock Australian Western Standard Time. So yeah, if you don't have a Gate account, I'll put a sign up link below. You'll get some really cool bonuses like 5,500 TUSD or something crazy for signing up. So please use my link. But yeah, they're going to do a launch on gate.io tonight. So that is my first coin. My second one, which I thought looks super interesting, is called X Protocol, which is a metaverse coin. So it could also be really huge. I'm really deep in with metaverse coins now. So this is the first metaverse application portal programmed using Rust language. Okay. Also provides low-cost access to the metaverse. And it will strive to become the Ready Player One's world and Steam platform in the blockchain space. Okay, so these guys have very high ambition, which I like. Looks very promising. Check them out. Do your own research. CoinMarketCap, I'll tell you. Oh, that's not the coin. X Protocol. So they just had an ICO. You can't buy the coin right now. However, I also found that this was going to launch on here. So the ticker symbol is actually POT, which is really funny. X Protocol POT. This is also launching today at 9 o'clock. Okay, this is going to be an exciting evening for myself. I'm going to be testing out my strategy and seeing if I can't just quickly 10x my gains. If not, 100x my gains in one day. You heard it here first. It probably sounds really crazy. I'm going to test it out and I'll let you know how it goes. It could be incredible, or it could maybe bomb. Who knows? But anyway, I'm into doing experiments and I'll be doing that tonight. So check out those 2 coins and definitely sign up to Gate.io if you haven't already. And the last coin I had a look at is Dex Sport, which also hasn't been launched yet. It is actually having an ICO, and I'm pretty sure this is early days. You can actually get in on this ICO that is going to take place. It hasn't happened yet. If you go to their website, dexsport.io, and just, check it out for yourself, see how you can participate. I am going to be, I don't know if I'm going to have time to do this today because I'm gearing up for my experiment tonight, which will be exciting. But yes, I did hear someone else talk about this, and this could also be very huge because it's the first decentralized crypto betting platform, or one of. I've heard of others, but this is one of them. I do believe crypto betting platforms will be huge, just like metaverse gaming coins. So this could also be a good one to put some time into and get in the ICO. Yeah. Anyway, actually I might get into this too because it looks really good. So yeah, those are my 3 coins. As usual, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. Crypto markets are actually pretty crazy at the moment. There are a lot of scams out there. Please don't get sucked into a scam. The way to avoid them is you go to CoinMarketCap and you always type the coin in there, and you get the official, the official token address. Like here, this is the official token address, because there'll be fake websites coming up with fake addresses, and that's how people take your money. So yeah, be careful of those. Looks like we can already buy KCOIN on PancakeSwap, so interesting. Very interesting. Okay, I will be buying some of that right now. And that is all for today, folks. I hope you enjoy, and please like and subscribe if you found this video useful in any way, and I will keep you guys posted on my experiment. Cheers.